Welcome back to Brad's Garage. Today we're going to be working on our 2015 VW Jetta. This is with the 1.8T motor. We're going to be showing you cabin filter replacement and air filter replacement on this guy. We're going to be doing the air filter first. You're going to have 8 T25 Torx bolts that you need to remove. So let's go through them. You got one here in the front. And they just spin, they don't come out, they're stuck in. So just till it stops raising up. You got one right here, and one over in this corner towards the fender. All right, and then next thing you have to do is pinch here and remove this little breather hose. Comes right out. Okay, and then you should be able to just lift. You shouldn't have to unhook anything else. You should just be able to lift up, grab the air filter, and slide it out. That's pretty disgusting, guys. We've got our new one here from FCP Euro. Like I said, we buy all our stuff from them. That way, if you ever need to replace this in the future, you just simply mail this one back to them, and then you'll get a credit for your new part. So we have a new OEM, genuine filter. Okay, go ahead and just slide it right in. Make sure nothing is sticking out, so you want to just kind of walk around with your fingertip. Make sure all the orange is laying inside the channel. That's the most important part. And then just set it back into position. I like to make sure this hose is free before we start tightening it. Clip that back into place. Make sure you're good. And then all you got to do is the reverse, tighten everything. And these are this is plastic, so I just get it snug. Don't go crazy with tightening it. All right, everything's good. Now let's move on to the cabin filter. So we got our cabin filter here. We're gonna go to the passenger side of the car. What I like to do first is go ahead and pull up the floor mat. Just gives you a little bit more room. So we'll just take this out of the car. You can use that as a knee pad. Get a little light for you. All right, so we're underneath the glove box here. Just gonna get a stubby plane tip. I know it's not the easiest to see, but we're gonna go ahead and unscrew. There's 2 little plastic screws that hold this cover. One, and there's one over here. Okay, once you got it out, then all you got to do is pull it down from the back when you get this cover out. And that's supposed to stay on the filter, so whoever was in here before didn't have it together right. So basically the filter is up like this, and this little piece is in like this. And that's where it's supposed to be, so it wasn't even fully in, so whoever changed it last didn't put it back together right. So basically all you got to do is use your finger here, slide this way, and then the filter is going to come out. This can come off of that, it's not a big deal. And then we're going to bring this out. Let's give it a little wiggle, and we take it out. All right, so we're just going to go open up our new one. Okay, and then we know that it was facing this direction. And then, like I said, we go ahead, you can just go ahead and get this pre-installed. Okay, it only goes one way, so now we know which way to slide it. You just go ahead and slide it back in. You need to bend it just a tiny bit to get it to go, but it's just going to go right up in there. Just right on the corner. Give it a little wiggle. It's tight. They make everything just barely fit. And if the thing comes off, it's okay. I think it's actually maybe easier to just do it without it. Okay, once you get it up there, then get your plastic piece in the groove and just slide it all the way over till it clicks. And now we have a good seal, and we know we're good because we're past the little notch there. Okay, now we go ahead and get our little cover back up. You gotta kind of tuck it underneath the glove box. And then go ahead and find your screw hole. And I just spin it in by hand. A couple turns, get your other one started. And then snug it down with your plane tip. I'm not sure why they made it plane tip, just to make things difficult, I think. Phillips would have been nice, because then you can kind of just get it in the general vicinity and your screwdriver won't slip off. Just keep in mind they are plastic, so just snug them up. It's just a cover. Like I said, it's not going anywhere. All right, guys, all you gotta do is just throw your floor mat back in, and that completes your cabin filter replacement. All right, so hopefully that helps you out. We did the air filter, we did the cabin filter. Those should be done every 40,000 miles. So be sure to check out the other videos we did on this 2015 Jetta, some other common maintenance items, and we'll catch you guys on the next one.